Click the red subscribe button. Click the bell icon for all the notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm here with some pasta recipe. So let's try how to make this baked chicken pasta. So first, let's boil some pasta. Into some water, add in salt and some olive oil. Once it starts to boil, add some pasta. Here I'm using macaroni. You can use even penne or falafel. Stir the pasta in between or it may stick to the bottom. Once it is cooked, you have to strain it and keep it aside. Now let's make some white sauce. Into a pan, add in some butter. Once the butter is melted, add in some all-purpose flour and roast it. Now you have to add in 1 cup of milk, but add in little by little. You have to break all the lumps in the sauce. Now add in some salt, some red chili flakes and some oregano. Mix it. Now our white sauce is ready. You can make this sauce ahead of time and refrigerate it. Now into a pan, add in some oil, saute some onion with some garlic and bell peppers. Add some chicken pieces. Here I have used boneless chicken. Now I am adding 1 tomato, some red chili powder, pepper powder, garam masala, some oregano, some parsley, and mix it. Now instead of tomato, you can use tomato puree. Add some salt, mix it, and close the lid and cook the chicken. Now once the chicken is done, add in the cooked pasta and mix it. Now take a big baking dish and add in half of the pasta and chicken mix. Add the white sauce on top of it and spread it. Now sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top and then add in the rest of the pasta and repeat the process. And the topmost layer should be lots and lots of cheese. Here I've used just the mozzarella cheese, but you can also add in some cheddar cheese if you like. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until you can see some beautiful brown spots on top of the cheese. There you go. Our delicious, cheesy, baked chicken pasta is ready. This is a complete sufficient meal. This cheesy pasta with the chicken and the white sauce in between and all the flavor of oregano and parsley. Oh, it's just incredibly delicious. So definitely try it out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and also watch more interesting recipe videos from our channel. Thank you.